Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter week 27. It's Friday today, and just like last week we've got another busy morning in the studio. The ladies are back for week 2 of their 3-week beginner sewing course, and they've started to cut out the fabric for their bags. And then in unit 2 this morning we have craft club, so we've got the lovely ladies all in here. Say hello everybody. And I knew you'd see her eventually. This is mother-in-law. We mentioned her last week. She does exist, and she's just making a start on a little crocheted hat. So I will show you more of what they've been up to a little bit later. Diane has brought us, I thought she brought us chocolate, so I was most disappointed, but she's brought some gorgeous little hexes in. She's doing some lovely English paper piecing. Look how beautiful these fabrics are together. They're really lovely. But yeah, I like the tin. Let's have a look at the tin. It's gorgeous. It's like a traditional roses tin. So did it actually come with sweets in it? And then you've eaten all the sweets, yeah?
Yeah, sweets, but I only bought it for the tin.
It's lovely. I don't mind. I like buying things for tins too.
Yeah. I must admit, when I first saw it, I thought Mrs. Maxine had been cake baking.
No, unfortunately not. So Viv's brought in, she's going to be doing some, like our sustainable sewing classes, but for crochet and knitting. We're going to do these bath scrunchies, which are crocheted, and these little makeup remover pads. And Carol's been busy knitting up some bits for the class. We're doing a little market bag, which is really cute. And also, if you could pass them over, these little dishcloths or face cloths. So we're going to do some more. We need to think of a word. We've got sustainable sewing, but we need something related to the environment and yarn. So if you can have any ideas, please do leave them in the comments below. So we're assembling for a photo shoot now. Come on out you come, girls. We need some sunglasses. Oh, to stare at me. Show us your bags. They're beautiful. Well done. Have you enjoyed that one? Yeah. Next week, cushions. We're going to do zips next week. Yeah. They're looking a bit scared now. Right, let's take your pictures. Good afternoon. So everyone has gone home. I had actually planned to put no classes on this afternoon because I was going to go home to be with little Miss Mac because it's her birthday today. However, she had great pleasure in telling me only a couple of days ago that actually she wanted to go to after school club on her birthday because she wanted to see her friends. So that's what she's doing, which means I do have the afternoon to myself. The Amazon man has been, he's dropped off lots of packages for me, so I'm going to get those open and I'm going to have a bit of fun experimenting with things this afternoon. So it's, whoops, I'm all dark. So it's nearly home time. I've been working on a little project that I am halfway through, but I decided to stop because, you know, when you get that start to think I'm going to muck it up phase going on in your head, and you know if you carry on that you will just screw the whole thing up. So I've put it to one side and I'm going to come back to it tomorrow. Elspeth has come in for the afternoon. She is sewing up a pair of ultimate trousers. Now these are actually a pair of ultimate trousers that I made for me that I couldn't get to fit right, and I was going to just ditch them, but actually they will fit Elspeth. It just needs a bit of tweaking, so she's lucky. Taking in, shut up. Taking in. And then I've been playing in unit 2. Let me show you what I've been up to. So I've been following a tutorial on the Dainty Dress Diaries. These aren't finished yet, but I will show you them when they're finished. They're going to be little gift pots. So I've been playing with a bit of decoupage and paint. And yes, those are loo rolls. And then I'm about to finally get to grips with my pattern weights. I bought some of these washers and I'm going to spray them and decorate them in BTHQ colours. So I thought I might do a little video of how I do that, just so that you can have a go too. Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. Is another day and I'm already being abused by my mother for not looking after the plants. Everyone is here. We're welcoming back Wendy and Miriam and Sandra and Mother and mother-in-law, and we've got a few others coming today for our first me time meetup, so I'm very excited to be getting the glue guns out. We've got new glue guns, girls. Woo! We are going to be trialling the pound shops, not a pound, glue guns to see if they're actually any good, because they're only £2, which seems very cheap for a glue gun, but they look okay. We'll keep you posted. Mum's bought some plants in today, if anyone's interested. They probably won't be here by the time you see this though. She's got some fuchsias and some woodgelia. Don't you know? All systems go now. We've painted our pots. It's now time to sew the fabric bit. And I'm glad Mum's come on this class because it means she might tidy up in here for me. All of our little me time meet-up pots are now finished. They look really, really cute. Good morning, welcome back to BTHQ Banter. It is Wednesday today. I am in the studio all on my own for about the next 45 minutes and we're not getting started until 10 today. I have got three lovely ladies who you have seen before on numerous times. The lovely Donna, Joyce and Leslie, and all three of them are coming in to make kielo wrap dresses today. This afternoon we've got one of our sustainable sewing classes. We're doing our produce bags, which if you haven't seen are here, for taking your veggies or buying your veggies at the supermarket, and Elspeth and Jane are both taking that class this afternoon, so it should be a really nice day. I will pick you up as the day progresses. Elspeth and Jane are busy cutting out. They're having a little private lesson in Unit 2 today, which is very nice. They're going to be making produce bags. You're talking about Brussels sprouts. What about Brussels sprouts?
We love them. And that they're not going to care if we've cut slightly wonkily.
No, not at all. What, when they go in your bag at Christmas time? No, of course they're not. I don't think your potatoes will. Festive ripstop. Can you imagine rocking up to the supermarket with Christmas produce bags? Apparently this is what you do when you finish produce bag making. Do a little dance. They're very nice though, well done. Are you pleased with them?
Yes, yes, very useful. I need to go shopping now.
You do? Shopping?
Shopping to Sainsbury's.
To buy Brussels sprouts.
No, I can't have Brussels sprouts till Christmas.
Satsumas?
Nope, not till Christmas.
Yay! Jane does a bag dance too. Is this going to be the thing? If you make produce bags by the Beautiful Things class, then you have to do a produce bag dance. Cheerleaders.
Yes, that's the.
Give us a B. Give us a T. Give us an H. Give us a Q. Yay! What have you got? BTHQ.
I don't know, they want you to take a video and then they all walk away from you. It's not as though there aren't flowers everywhere. There's the flowers. There's a Donna. And there's the photographer. Photo shoots.
Oh, that's really good, that one. So it is Wednesday evening. I'm back home, glass of wine in hand. Someone is cutting their grass, so sorry if it's a bit noisy. But we had a lovely day today at the studio, as you could see. Leslie and Donna and Joyce all finished their kielo wrap dresses. They looked amazing. I'm going to put some pictures up here, a little boomerang video of them dancing around in the sunshine. So they had a really nice time. Elspeth and Jane, as you saw, finished their produce bags, and overall it's been a really busy week at BTHQ. What you won't have seen is that on Sunday we hosted a birthday party for little Miss Mac. Her and 5 of her friends made some really lovely little backpacks. Again, I'll pop a picture up here so that you can see them all. I'm going to do a completely separate video on that though, so that will be coming up soon. So I'll see you again later in the week. The tutorial for the tissue pouches is now live and online. I will put a link to it up here for you, and I will see you same time next week for another BTHQ banter. Cheers!